Well, nepotism in Bollywood has been going on since ages.
Right.
We can see that. Well, there are many examples,
Yeah.
in the current Bollywood,
Right.
most of the actors and actresses are either people who are either the ones who have.
What do you think about that Indian culture or the position or the situation of the widow? And that the things you are not having in Western.
Well, we can see that. Well, firstly, in Indian culture, well, not most of the times, but right now we can see that, when the husband dies, the woman is actually, she lives in a torture sort of life.
Correct.
She's not supposed to wear what she can, she
Yes,
wants to, like anything that might make her look beautiful,
Right.
like jewelry, ornaments,
Correct.
makeup, or any sort of dress which
White
she likes.
sari
Yeah,
like
white
that.
saris, yes. And she's not allowed to marry another man. Well, this was followed in large amount back then, but now it has reduced in India.
Yeah.
But when you look at
But
West, yeah,
if you're talking about the reduce also, no, it's a limited places actually. If you're finding, say that some of the towns, some of the urban area, it could be fine. But that in rural, if you're comparing, no, it's still that the things are.
yes, definitely. In rural areas, even today, women, once the husband dies, the woman is not allowed to marry again.
Correct.
All these rituals are practiced, and according to them, the woman is supposed to be grieving all her life
Correct.
about her husband's death.
Correct.
And well, it's not the case with men. Men can marry a man can marry another woman soon as the wife dies.
Correct.
But when we think about this in the Western culture, even if you think about 100 years ago, they didn't have these practices. Like the widow is supposed to live by herself, not marry another person. It was the choice of the woman.
Right.
Even today, it's her choice. If she wants to marry a guy, she can, or she can live by her choice.
Right.
She was an independent citizen.
Right.
And when you think about it, in Indian culture, still the woman is controlled.
Yes.
Uh,
And that most of that the ritual, most of that law, rules, policies that made, no, actually that it is that, like I'm telling that it is the words I'm using, tricks
Yeah.
of the men to be,
control women.
yeah,
Yes,
correct.
definitely, yes.
So it is that the way actually that we are living still.
Yes. Well, the man, by saying that, I don't want another man to have a look at you.
Correct.
By that, they bring the burqa, they bring the parda system.
Correct.
And
in Rajasthan, many places
Yeah,
you can
of
find
course.
out that this gungta like that is.
Yes. That's a reason for them. It's a trick to control their women. They want to be on the dominating side.
Yes.
That's how it works. Yes.
We can find in our society also, sometimes somebody is revealing, sometimes not revealing. What do you think about abortion?
Well, see, abortion is a very big topic to debate.
Correct.
See, but when we see people who make abortion laws, let's say Western countries or Asian countries, African countries, anywhere, see, the abortion laws to stop abortion,
Correct.
I don't understand why men are the ones who are doing it.
Okay.
If it is, see, the woman is going through the pain of having a child.
Right.
See, they are the ones who have to take care of the child for the next 18 years, or we don't know how long it might be.
Exactly.
See, it is firstly, men can't have children; it's women.
Right.
So the people who are making the abortion laws should be women, not men.
Yeah.
Men don't get to decide
Exactly.
why if a woman should get aborted or not.
Right.
And at the end of the day, it depends upon the woman.
Right.
If you want to get aborted, it's totally your choice. If you don't want to have the burden of a child, then you should get aborted. Then it's your choice. If a woman doesn't want to, then we can't even force her.
Exactly.
It's just about religion, because you see, if you go to most of the religions, they say that you should not abort a child.
Yeah.
The child must not be killed, even if you're not married to the father. You must not get the child aborted, and that is why the government has also made rules according to it.
Okay.
If the government says that you have freedom of anything, and then the people should have the freedom of not following the religion also.
Correct.
They should have the freedom to get aborted.
Right.
If the government says that we want freedom, that no, we are ready to offer freedom,
Okay.
but we are also making laws that go against your freedom, that doesn't make sense.
Exactly.
Yes.